Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have a server and the Manage Server permission. Start by inviting the Welcomer bot now. Choose the specific channel where new member notices should appear, because that determines visibility. Next, create or pick a welcome role you want assigned automatically, and make sure the role's position is below the bot's role in role settings. Once done, authorize the bot with permission to send messages and manage roles. This allows automatic assignment and clean welcome posts. Now, navigate the bot dashboard or type the bot's /commands to configure core settings. This is where you set the welcome channel and assign the auto role. Customize the welcome message template using variables like user and server so messages feel personal. Make sure to enable or adjust a role assignment timeout so new accounts can be filtered. Also, upload a welcome image or enable embeds to improve readability. These visual choices affect first impression. Finish by running a test. Invite a secondary account or use the bot's simulate join command to confirm the message and role behavior. If nothing happens, immediately check role hierarchy, move the bot's role above the welcome role, and verify manage roles permission. Also review channel permissions, especially send messages and embed links. If issues persist, enable the bot's join logs to capture errors and reduce message rate limits to prevent spam blocking. This troubleshooting reveals permission or rate limit problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.